Okay, good morning guys. At ngayon, nandito na naman tayo sa BGC coming from Antipolo. At dahil ayoko maglakad at pretty ang peg ko ngayon, syempre nag-hire tayo ng ating motor taxi through Move It. So from Philplans going to Manila House sa may 5th Avenue, it only cost me 50 pesos. So bakit pa ako hindi mag-ano? And now, here we are at the Manila House. So, ito yung mga friends natin with other medias. Nauna sila. Our food for today, syempre masarap pa rin Manila House. This event is sponsored by True Life. It's their year-end media gathering actually. There are prizes and as well as good food and iba chika with other management. So, congratulations na lang sa mga nanalo. Not me, but still, okay pa din. Kasi the food is great. Diba? Here are some of the food that sinerve sa atin today. At syempre, ang after the event, hindi pa rin maiwasan na magpa-photo tayo dito sa kanilang famous decorations. Oh, ganda, di ba girl? Ayan. Okay, once again, thank you True Life for sponsoring this event, at thank you sa giveaway ninyo. Bye! See you next event!